Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I do have a new fragrance release, and this one is from Hugo, Bosd, the scent Elixir. I know that a couple people have been waiting for me to release this review, and yeah, it's finally here. So if you are new, welcome. I speak a lot about fragrances. If that's something that interests you, please do stick around and subscribe. Okay, so this new one, it came out this year in 2024. Last year they released the scent Magnetic for hair. If you can see how I have devoured this scent. So this scent, it has the listen, I need to stop under sleeping on Hugo Boss fragrances. I seriously need to stop. This scent took me by surprise. It has the osmanthus flower, the scent Magnetic for hair, and it has the amrit seed, and it has the white musk and amber. It's just a luxurious feeling scent, and it opens with this beautiful osmanthus, and it's just so exciting. It lasts longer on me. I was surprised how longer it lasted, and it's just a pleasant scent. So when I saw that they've released the Elixir, the Hugo Boss scent Elixir, I was like, yes please, I need to stop sleeping on Hugo Boss scents because they are just good. So maybe this one will be perfect as well. So this one, it has the top notes of the pink pepper, and in the heart it has the belladonna, and in the base it has the amrit. It really opens up nicely. It opens up with this sweet fruity scent. The pink pepper really dominates here. It's definitely a dominant note. It has this rich, woody and slight floral scent to it. It's definitely an everyday wear. It's just right. It's just right. It's just correct. Okay, it is intense, it is strong, but it's not overpowering. The combination of notes there, like, you know, these three notes, the pink pepper, the belladonna, and the ambergris, they work well together. They meshed them really well. It really is a nice scent. It lasted longer than the scent Magnetic for hair. This scent is really is strong, and it's powerful. It projects really well, and I got a lot of compliments. However, I wore this during a night time. It was really nice, and everyone kept asking me what I was wearing. It's really, I was surprised with the longevity of it, and I feel like the description of the scent, it really is spot on for me. At least overall, I give this an 8 out of 10. Its warmth and its ambery notes, it really, and you get this floral touch to it. Amazing. I was surprised how long it lasted. Woody but sweet at the same time. Very strong scent. It's stunning. Like I said, I need to stop sleeping on Hugo Boss scents because this is just gorgeous scent. So I'm really happy about that. I can just put her to rest. As you can see what I've done to her, I just need to put her to rest, and then I'll concentrate on this one. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like, comment down below if you have tried this. I'm really interested in hearing what you guys think about the scent, the Hugo Boss, the scent Elixir. And yeah, thank you so much. How do they compare? I'm really enjoying this one a lot. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.